Hello everyone, welcome to Minute Coding with Miguel Parada. Today we're going over keyframes. Now we'll just fast forward to some setup here. We just want to make sure the body of the background is black so this contrasts with it. At the moment you see that continue doesn't appear because there's also the text is black. So we'll need to set a keyframe for that. So we'll say the at keyframe, so that's very important notation, and nested in brackets. We'll say it will go from black to yellow. So we'll see that we need to name the keyframe. So we'll call the keyframe flash. That's the name of it. That's in order for us to use it. And here we'll call it forward from the inline style here and call it animation-name flash. That's how we call it forward. And now we'll set it duration to 1 second. See, that was really quick right there. However, if we wanted to keep looping it infinitely, we'll set that. But that's all for today. Thank you for watching.